Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own private server in the game Steal a Brainrot on Roblox. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. To begin, open Roblox and go to the Steal a Brainrot game page. Instead of pressing play, click the social button, which is the icon with two people. From there, select the option to create a private server. If you're using a mobile device, just open the game page, tap the Social button at the bottom, and choose the Create Private Server option. Private servers currently cost 79 Robux per month. Simply type in a name for your server, click Subscribe, and confirm the purchase. Once that's done, choose Not Now when prompted. Your private server will then appear under the Private Server section. If you don't see it right away, just refresh the page or pull down to reload on mobile. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can easily create a private server in Steal a Brainrot on Roblox. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.